Hello wonderful people, it's Genevieve and I teach illustration here on YouTube. And a few weeks ago I got this comment which made me realize that a lot of the features and tools in Procreate that you would think are simple are kind of hidden. So we're fixing this today with this new series I call Procreate Loves Hiding Simple Features in Random Places, so I'm finding them for you. Today we're talking about a feature that can be used in so many different ways that I'll probably have to make quite a few videos to cover them all. But we'll start with one specific use case that can truly save you a lot of grief. How to recolor your line art without having to draw it all over again. Now if you want your entire line art to just be one color, then you can simply color drop a new color over it and adjust the threshold by swiping your finger from left to right until only the line art is filled. But if you want certain areas to be different colors, for example, I like my line art to be darker versions of the colors it borders, then just color dropping will not allow you to achieve that result. So what you can do instead is use the start of today's episode, Alpha Lock. To do so, go ahead and open your layer panel and double tap on a layer to open the hidden layer menu. From there, tap on Alpha Lock right here, which when activated will show you this little grid in the layer preview. You can also swipe your layer towards the right with 2 fingers to activate or deactivate that feature. Essentially, Alpha Lock means you cannot add new pixels to a layer. So whatever was not drawn on when you first activated Alpha Lock will remain transparent. That means when you have Alpha Lock activated, you can recolor your line art really quickly by just brushing over it, which takes 2 seconds because you don't have to worry about staying in the lines or anything like that. Like I said, I like to go ahead and color pick the different colors in my illustration, make them slightly darker, and then recolor the line art with those darker colors. It takes all of 2 minutes maybe, but I find it makes the whole illustration look way more polished. Now, if you do need to change the shape of your line art, you can always deactivate Alpha Lock and you'll be able to edit the pixels on your layer just like before. Now, I want to know, what else are you trying to do in Procreate that the app is making extra hard for some reason? Is it drop shadows? Is it outlines? Is it something else? Please let me know in the comments below because I'm determined to figure it out for you. In the meantime though, check out this playlist to discover other hidden Procreate features and make sure to subscribe right here so you don't miss more tips just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.